Hi, I'm Christina from Travels with Ted, and today I'm sharing my review of the Travel Berkey water filter for RV campers. I know there are mixed reviews on the Berkey, but we've had one for 4 years and I absolutely love it, and I would never travel without one. I decided to film this video today because we're at a campground with terrible tasting water, but we are still able to drink it because of this water filter. As you can see here, the water is super cloudy. It also has a faint smell and just doesn't taste great. To use the filter, we just take the water right out of the RV faucet and pour it into the top of the Berkey. It does take a few hours for the water in the top to filter down to the bottom compartment, so we always refill it after using so it stays full. As you can see, that super gross water that went into the Berkey is now crystal clear, and it also tastes great. That's the reason we love the Berkey. We don't have to worry about having great tasting water at any campground, and we never have to buy water in plastic bottles. A few other things RVers should know about this water filter. Campers need to think about where they will store the Berkey on travel days. Our solution is to keep the Berkey in the kitchen sink. We make sure the top half is empty for travel so the weight doesn't cause it to topple over, and we cover it with a clean towel to help it stay in place. While I think the Berkey is essential for RV drinking water, it does not replace an inline water filter. An inline water filter helps keep the sediment out of your lines, which prevents your faucets and shower head from clogging. If you have any other questions about the Berkey, drop them in the comments. Happy camping!